Hi everyone, Tatiana is here. Welcome back to the channel. Recently I set up the bass line challenge where I asked the bass players to create their own lines for the jazz standard Ain't Misbehavin, film themselves playing it and send it to me. And today I'm excited to share with you the 3 amazing entries I received. It's Dennis, Azazel and Nicholas. All of them approached the task very differently, and there is something to learn from all 3. So let's dive in. Let's start with Dennis. He shared his line with me notated, which was very helpful, and of course he played it. His bass line is incredibly effective. It outlines the harmony clearly, but also catches the rhythmic changes and transitions between sections. He uses swinging eighths or quavers beautifully. You can see that there are many places nearly in each bar where eighths help him move within one chord or transition to another one. And I also was very happy he used notation and not a tab. I really think that his bass line and his groove are both awesome. Now, here is something interesting. From his playing style, I initially guessed that he was a double bass player because he uses one plucking finger a lot, and also he sits just a tiny bit ahead of the beat rhythmically, which is very common for double bassists. But no, he told me that my guess wasn't correct and he actually was a recovering trumpet player, so he's a multi-instrumentalist. I love it. He also shared a story about how he recorded his entry. He tried using the wireless playback but ended up way behind the beat rhythmically. Because of latency, yeah, that happens. Once he switched to everything wired, he nailed it. Dennis told me that he hosts parlor jams with his friends and that playing music together means a lot to him. I share these feelings, and honestly I can hear that joy and that experience in his line. Next up, Azazel. I was very happy to meet another female bass player who can play jazz. There are not many of us around. In her line, not a single chord left unsupported. Her line is super effective, and also she added some ghost notes and slides to make it more interesting. You know what slides are, right? All that stuff. And the ghost notes are when you touch the strings without pressing them and you pluck them. Usually ghost notes are combined with sounding notes and they sound like this. Also, Azazel explored a lot the fretboard from the very low positions, the first positions and maybe open strings, up to the fret 9 and 10, which covers pretty huge range for a bass line. Watching her play and seeing her 5-string instrument, I'd guess that she leans more toward rock than jazz, and if that's correct, then double applause to her, because exploring new genres is awesome. Music is an endless exploration and she jumps right into it, so bravo, Azazel. And now Nicholas. He sent me an audio recording, so I can't show you the video, but listen to it, it's really something. He took a very creative approach and he made a fresh new arrangement of an old standard Ain't Misbehavin, and his arrangement leans more toward lounge and club music maybe, with some touches of neoclassical influence. sections, the bass almost becomes a solo voice. So Nicholas mixes the roles of this instrument between the accompaniment and the solo. Nicholas has a wonderful sense of harmony and his swing feel is excellent. Awesome job! And the tone, wow! His bass almost feels like a living creature in the story. Nicholas said he used the bass Yamaha BB434 plugged in the Fender Rumble Stage 800 amp and recorded directly in the Zoom R4 recorder. The only thing I wished for was the video, but unfortunately Nicholas couldn't send it to me because, goodness me, he got bitten by a spider on his thumb, which sounds really scary to me. He's okay now, luckily, but he's still recovering. So all the best for you, Nicholas. I hope you will recover very soon. And yet, even with a beaten thumb, his bass line still sounds fantastic. As a thank you for entering, everyone received a digital prize from me. These are rock package and jazz package, which are not available for sale anymore, so they're pretty exclusive. And also I sent them my copyright-free jazz package and a bonus collection of funk exercises. These two are available by the links in the description of this video. I hope the participants will find a good use for these materials. I absolutely loved hearing everyone's interpretations of the same jazz standard. The variety was huge, the different tones, the different genres and the different musical minds, and the beauty of the bass. If you'd like to see more challenges like this or maybe even take a part in the next one, let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed this breakdown, please like the video and subscribe, it really helps the channel grow. And if this video made your day even a tiny bit better, you can buy me a coffee by a link below. I promise I will drink it while making the next one. Congrats again to Dennis, Azazel and Nicholas. You guys really made this challenge very special. And see you all guys in the next video. Happy grooving!